Today's the day. Well guys, today's the day that we lower my GT500. I bought the lowest lowering springs that you could possibly get for an S197 Mustang. And they are H&R Super Sport springs. Let's go ahead and see how they look like. They're actually in this really cool finish. Like, it's sort of like a flat matte look, and it is pretty freaking cool. I actually really like the way these springs look. I'm waiting for my homie to pull up, and we'll get it started. Got the homie Jet pulling up, about to help me out with the installation. Loud as hell. What's good, G? What's good with it? Guys, this is Jet's Corvette. Cool. So this is a fairly easy install. Yep. Loosen everything up, and then when this falls, we have the jack, so we don't have to fuck with all this. But it don't even matter.
The only thing is if we take the caliper off, we may need a compressor, brake caliper compressor, to push the piston back in. Get the brake.
We're just gonna leave this how it is.
Yeah. I got one at work, but I got like 2.
We're just gonna leave this how it is.
45 minutes away.
And just worry about take boom.
We'll figure it out.
Top.
We'll make it.
It's these two, that one, and then the top, and then bloop, pop that hole out. All right. Alright, bro. Loosen these up. Taking that wheel off. Yeah, Big Bertha, man.
Big Bertha.
Oh yeah, this thing gonna fall like bloop.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
That shit will crush my knee, bro. Break your knee.
That wouldn't be a good install.
That would not be a good
install, brother.
We have to have them all spread apart, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We hit both of these, so we can start. Hit this one a little bit, and this one a little bit, and this one a little bit, and this one a little bit. Where's Big Bertha? I think it's the same. I think it's that side. You can hit it good now.
Yeah.
Hold on, keep holding on to it. I could not let this. Oh, scared. Spring out, perfect. H&R Super Sports stock springs. Oh, this is gonna hurt. I hate doing this shit. Hold on. All right, go for it. Give it a nice little tap. One more time. Ah.
Big Bertha.
Woo! And there we go. One strut done.
That's one.
That's one. These actually look pretty freaking cool, dude.
Yeah.
I like the way they look.
Yeah, there you go. Up.
I'm good?
Alright, yeah, you good. Go ahead, let it.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah, cool.
By the way, guys, go follow my homie Jet. His Instagram's right here. Appreciate the help, man.
I don't always look so homeless.
You good, man. Don't even worry about it. We got the homie Adam right here. Follow him right here. Say what's up, G.
What's up, Adam?
Say what's up.
A.Boda.
It's gonna be.
That thing. All right.
cool. You might go hit this top.
You, that's the 21, which is right here.
Some stock old springs gone.
Gone. That's it. Bye bye. Bye bye stock height.
Yeah.
And now we bring in the big bitch. Now we bring in the beautiful H&R Super Sport. The sauce.
Cosmetic sauce.
The cosmetic sauce.
There you go.
I remember what we did last time.
Yeah.
We just pushed it in there.
Be good. Hey, Adam's here now.
Oh yeah, Adam's here now, sweet.
Oh, you need body weight on that?
Yeah.
Is tight?
Yeah, they're good.
Is tight?
Easy money.
Yeah.
Now I just gotta hit that hole.
You don't even have to.
We're done.
That's what's up.
One more?
Hey, remember the arrow is supposed to be.
Yeah. Oh,
It's actually.
it's actually.
It's on there. Just hit it with some more sauce.
Yeah. Send it.
Just hold it, Adam. There you go. One more. Alright. I think that's good. That's good.
I think so, bro.
Alright,
Big
perfect.
Bertha don't play, bro.
Big Bertha does not play. Perfect. There you go. Front's done. Hell yeah.
Hey.
Let's put it back in.
Here you go. Now just a little more towards your engine bay. Right there. Tilt it a little. Yeah, there you go. Oh, don't mind me. There you go.
There you go.
Alright, you good.
It's just like doing it with the lights off.
Like what?
Hell yeah.
Alright, cool.
Cool.
Slowly drop it down, slow. Alright, drop her down. Oh shit! Damn! Oh damn!
That's on wood.
Bro. And that's on the wood. Oh yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes, guys, we are torquing these wheels. I'm just gonna include it in the video because some people are gonna be like, "Bro, you forgot to torque the wheels."
What you mean? You know, O should be looking at my ass.
Now the rears are gonna be extremely easy. We're gonna knock it down in like 30 seconds.
All you do is
No, I'm just kidding. And then should be good to go, man. I'm really excited. The front is already looking good, and it's on the wood still, so. The real problem is, I'm gonna be scared going down that driveway.
Man.
First time at your last.
It should be alright, man. Alright, how much of a drop do you think it's gonna be? Right now it's like, it's my whole fist.
I say you'd be able to fit one finger at max.
One finger?
One finger.
Right now I can fit all 4 fingers.
I say 2.
2 fingers?
Yeah, I think so.
Cause the front,
Perfectly.
holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna need an alignment, bro. You got me?
Yeah, I got
I'll
you.
pull up. I'll
What's
pull
up?
up to the shop.
What's up?
Alright, cool. We're gonna take a little 5, maybe a 10, maybe a 15.
Oh.
Remember when we were
Yeah,
installing
yeah.
the packs through? You were like,
Taco?
yeah.
Maybe 15, dog.
Needed to.
Swap it out real quick.
Four. No.
Hey.
I left the spring blessing facing the outside, so it looks a little
Put that
soft.
bitch in there. Put that bitch in there.
Go.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Oh.
Here's one. Alright, Adam.
Drop it nice and easy.
Nice and slow.
Nice and slow. Let's see here. Not bad. That is the perfect height, bro.
Oh yeah.
That does not look that low. Hey, you said 4 fingers to 2? Okay, bet. Hey, it's 3 fingers.
Okay. Minus 1 finger delete.
1 finger delete. Hey, that's perfect, bro. That's not bad. So 3 fingers.
Especially out here in Houston, that's it.
3 fingers in the back. 2 in the front. There we go, guys. Let's bring it out to the sun. Let's put it in the sun.
For sure.
Oh damn! Even getting out of the car. Bro, getting out the car right now. Getting out the car right now is much more lower. Yes, bro. Yes.
It's like the perfect low.
Bro, literally. I got the new lip on too.
Yeah.
Torquing the wheels. Good shit.
That fitness.
Bro, it looks good, bro. Oh, that front. Damn, man. That looks good, bro. Hey, man. Appreciate the help, bro. Appreciate the help, my G. Appreciate it. There we go. We got the side marker tint. 5% tint all the way around. Finally got the car lowered. Next is the license plate.
Here a little chop to it.
Bro, it's gonna be chopping soon. Dang. I am a little sketched out of the driveway because I am gonna be kind of scraping on that. I'm just gonna have to take my driveway at a bad angle, man. I really only care if I damage like the part of the lip where you can see it, like the front of it. If I start scraping the bottom, it's whatever, it's gonna happen. I mean, I can't help it, especially now that I got the lowest springs possible. But I'll show you guys a clear shot of it right now. Come on, dog. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the car is pretty much complete exterior-wise. That's it. Got the springs, we tinted everything. We got the new lip. That's it, man. It looks amazing. Like, damn, bro. It's slow, man. I mean, it's cool if it scuffs up right here. It's honestly gonna scuff up right here. It's only because this lip extends down. But you know what? It's alright, bro. It's alright. As long as I don't damage any of this right here, where it's like extremely visible, we'll be golden, man. But damn, yo. It looks amazing, y'all. Dang. It's just.
The alignment doesn't even look that bad.
Yeah.
It don't?
But I mean, I'd still go get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah. because I don't want to start eating up the tires.
They're free.
Oh, they free?
Alignment checks.
Oh, alignment checks. Now I can finally like. Alright, that looks so much better because before you would see like my really small ass tires and you could really see it lifted up. But now it just looks amazing with it on. I'm not gonna lie, it feels pretty good. Like the ride quality doesn't feel like stupid bumpy. Yeah, I love. Yeah.
It's just the bottom. Yeah.
Damn, bro, even getting out the car is hard. Why I do this? I'm dumb. Hey, man, everybody. Are you kidding me, bro? That's touching them.
That's on the ground, man.
Alright, y'all can call me stupid, man. I don't care. Man. It looks good. But it's gonna scrape the bottom for sure, man.
Oh, man.
It is what it is, bro.
You gotta just send it slowly.
Once I put, not even if I put, whoa, bro. Alright. That's why I gotta get my M4.
Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
It'll just scrape the wheels. Appreciate it, bro. Might as well back her up a little more. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, man. Damn. No, I'm pretty sure if I pull it in, it's gonna be okay. Like, it looks exactly like my old Mustang. My old Mustang was lower than this, and I would just have to pull in. That's just backing up. That's literally because I was backing up. Either one, I get my M4 daily quicker, or two, just pull into the driveway. Yeah. All right, bro. Even opening the hood feels like this is low, bro.
Yeah.
All right, next, kill a chili.